Hi, boys and girls. So today in math, we're going to start um, working on multiplication. Now, I know lots of you have been waiting for multiplication, but in second grade, you are supposed to learn about the concept. What does multiplication actually mean? Okay, so multiplication actually means combining equal groups to solve for the total. So, for example, here we have hearts. Okay, now we need to figure out the total amount of hearts. Now, I often say that multiplication is a faster way of adding because if you want to find out the total number of hearts, you can actually add it up, right? Because you could do 2 plus 2 plus 2, right? And that would be that this is actually called repeated addition. But what multiplication does, it makes it easier, okay? In multiplication, you need to understand that we have 1, 2, 3 groups, 3 groups of, and now how many do we have in each group? 2, 2, 2. They have to be equal groups. 3 groups of 2. Okay? Now, multiplication doesn't look like this. But that's what, this is how it looks. It would be 3. Now, the first number in multiplication is always how many groups? 3 groups of, I always say the X stands for of 2. 3 groups of 2, well, you would skip count. It would be 2, 4, 6. So your total is 6. Okay? Let's go ahead and do some more practices. Let me erase. So let's say, for example, I need you to solve this. What is the total number of hearts? Well, you see we have 4 groups, right? So you would say it's 4 groups. And how many hearts are in each group? Now remember, it has to be equal. So it'd be 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, hold on. 4 groups of 4. Now, how would we write it in a multiplication equation? We would do 4 groups of 4. Now, to solve it, you would have to skip count by the number of things in each group. So it would be 4, 8, 12, 16. So actually, learning how to skip count is a good way to solve your multiplication problems faster. Okay? Let's do another one. Here's one with little suns in it. Now, again, we would see how many groups are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 groups of, now how many are in each group? 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. 5 groups of 1. How would you write it? You would do 5. Remember that first number is how many groups? 5 groups of 1 equals, now this would be easy to skip count because you're just skip counting by ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, So 5 groups of 1, 5 groups of 1 is 5. Here, okay, so how many groups? It would be, what do you think? Yeah, 1 group, right? 1 group of, now how many are in each? Let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right? How would that look like in a multiplication equation? You would do 1 times 7, which is the same as 1 group of 7. So if it's just 1 group, you would do 7, right? Good. Now I'm going to want you to practice with me. You can either go get, if you have a dry erase marker, or you can get some pencil and paper. I will give you some time to go get those. If you need, you can pause it while you get some. Okay, so here we go. So, what would the multiplication statement be? That's using words. So it would be, how many groups? That's right, 2 groups. 2 groups of, how many are in each group? That's right, 1, 2, 1, 2. So 2 groups of 2. Now what would be that equation, the multiplication equation? It would be 2 groups of 2, or like most people say, 2 times 2. Well, you would skip count, right? You would skip count by 2s because that's what's in there. What do you think? That's right. It would be 4 because you would do 2, 4. So 2 groups of 2, 2 times 2 equals 4. Good job. Here's another one. Okay, so what would the multiplication equation be? I mean, statement. So yes, it would start off as 3 groups, 1, 2, 3, of, now how many are in each? That's right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 3 groups of 5. And the multiplication equation would be 3 groups of 5. And what do we skip count by? That's right, 5. We skip count what's in. So it'd be 5, 10, 15. Very good. One more. Okay, what would the multiplication statement be? Yes, that's right. 3 groups of, now what's in each? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 3 groups of 3. And the multiplication equation would be 3 groups of 3. What do you skip count by? What's in each group? 3. So you skip count by 3. So 3, and then 3 more is 6. And then 3 more is 9. 3 groups of 3 is 9. 3 times 3 is 9. Good job. So, in your assignment for today, you are going to be doing a Google form. In the Google form, I have uploaded pictures similar to this, and you're going to have to choose the multiplication equation and statement that matches the picture. Okay? There's also a video explaining more about multiplication. If you have any questions, go ahead and you can either text me and we can talk about what if you need more explanation, okay? Okay, boys and girls, love you. Bye.